All it is, you go through there. Oh, good grief.
Oh, there was a big hole right there. Dang. I think I went like just 2 inches more to the right than you did. And dropped off the fence of the world right there in the middle.
I didn't hit any big hole.
Yeah.
But, you know, the nimble 250L just kind of skates by.
That's true.
This looks extra soupy. Definitely a ton easier to control what the rear end does in these mud holes and stuff on this compared to the DR.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty impressed.
You liking that better than DR? I hear.
Everything except for the power, man. The suspension's better. It feels a little closer to a dirt bike, but it just doesn't have that umph you want. Makes me wonder if, like, maybe I wouldn't like a 500 EXC or something.
Yeah.
Which I guess is a nicer version of the WR.
Right.
What were you saying? How much what?
It's probably a lot of the day, too, you know what I mean?
True.
You come out when it's dry. I don't know, it's got its uses, I guess.
You come out when it's dry and the DR's fine, yeah.
You're gonna have places you wish you could wheelie over and stuff probably out here when it's half dry. That's probably, the perfect weapon for today, though.
Yeah. A lot of these mud holes, it's got like so little power, it just like, it doesn't spin, it just kind of like floats and tractors.
Krista's impressed me in that thing in some spots too, though. Weird, you know.
Yeah, for a 5'2" person that doesn't ride very much. Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree. Take the 300 and like punch it out to a 350 or something. Might have like the perfect bike.
Buddy Dawson's put some miles on his, that one he had.
That's true.
I'm sure he wasn't easy on it.
Oh, he was jumping it and shit.
I know. We're just in like one great big mud hole.
Yep. Whoa, that's deep. Whoa! Oh my gosh. That is washed out, bro.
Boo. Probably not going that way.
Alright, so we'll go that way. So here I am, like, thinking that we'll run out of time here and we'll have to go over to Ivy, and, like, there's clearly more.
Yeah, I know. It's a lot out here.
Alright, well, we're losing daylight. I guess we'll keep going. Oh! That hurt my back. Damn!
You alright?
Yeah, it bottomed out. Oh. Oh, crap. Stop. Hey. It's doing it again. I figured out what happened. My bad. So, my phone is sliding down in its case. It's sliding down in the mount, and it's holding my Bixby button down, which calls 911.
Oh, crap.
So I got halfway up this climb, and it's calling 911 again.
Jeez.
It gives me like a 10-second countdown to stop it. And we'll try to get going again. This is not too ruddy, but it's a bunch of small rock. Oh my god, you might want to hold up.
Alright.
Oh, shoot.
Careful up there, it's looking pretty steep from here.
So, I'm at the top, and it smooths back out to nice road, but there are a couple sketchy, jagged rocks at the top.
Okay.
So, I don't know if you want to try it, you want me to backtrack, we can go back through and go down that downhill spot you saw.
What's it looking like on top once you get up there?
It looks good. It smooths out again. It's just level, nice road, but these rocks up here at the top are like, you've got to hit your line.
Alright.
Are you going to try it?
I don't know what you think.
Yeah, let me look at it again off the bike. There's one literally standing up on its end in the middle of the...
Oh, nice.
If I move it, that might greatly help you. So you're going to come up on the right, and then at some point, when you see me, you're going to have to fade to the left.
Looks like I don't want to fade very far.
Nah, there's a big bank. You can't go over the hill.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to move this big rock. It's in the middle of your way. I'm going to move this other big rock. And I'm going to move this other big rock. Oh, God. Oh, God. Ah! Okay. Now, if you keep your momentum, you might make it.
I like my odds.
And, yeah, and I'll be here to catch you if you don't.
Great. I may or may not have track control.
I know, that's weird. I'll point you in the right direction once you get up here. Right, here's where you'll probably give her hell. Uh-oh. Oh, right over that... big rock. Nice!
Jeez, dude.
TKC-80 saved your butt, buddy.
Should probably buy a good skid plate.
You don't have a skidder on there? Oh, my God.
Factory.
Oh, well, you're okay.
Oh, a good Starbucks ride to break in a new bike. I like it.
Okay.
I'm not going back down that.
You're not? Might have to, buddy.
Okay,
Never say
great.
never.